A well-written seller concession can widen your buyer pool without cutting too deep. Here's when to use one and how to write it so it helps, not hurts. Hi, I'm Jeffrey Hoffmann and I help sellers throughout the Hudson Valley. What a concession can do: cover part of a closing cost, buy down a rate for a season, or solve a specific repair that keeps coming up. The key is clarity and a number that matches the real need. When it helps: if traffic is solid but second showings stall at financing, a concession can bridge the gap. If your feedback mentions a small repair or a cosmetic update, a targeted credit can remove a sticking point without waiting weeks. How to size it: ask a lender to run 2 quick printouts with the buyer side using the 2-scenario worksheet. A standard scenario and a scenario with your concession applied. Pick the number that creates real monthly relief without overspending. How to write it: state the amount, the purpose, and how it's applied at closing. For example, a credit up to a set amount toward allowable closing costs, or a credit in lieu of a specific repair. Keep the lines short and mirror contract language. Pair with presentation. Announce the concession with a photo order refresh and clear access windows so new eyes see the change. A quick example: a listing with steady traffic but stalled second showings added a targeted credit for buyer costs and moved a brighter living room photo forward. The next weekend brought 2 offers and 1 clear winner. If you want to see numbers side by side, borrow the 2-scenario worksheet to generate the buyer printouts that your concession would affect. The link is below.